Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give my top tips on doing a down perm at home. So many guys have hair like mine where it sticks out on the sides when it grows out. Especially if you do like a 2-block cut like I have right here. As it grows out, it tends to stick out from the sides. So usually before like a really big event, or if I have like a big night out or something and I don't really want to go to a hair salon, I'll do a down perm before I head out. That way it'll just keep the sides really clean and neat without having to go to a salon to cut the sides. For those that don't know what a down perm is, I kind of went over it in previous videos, which I'll link down below, but it's basically a way of flattening out the sides of your hair so that it's less puffy. This is actually a very common, almost like secret treatment in Korea in particular. A lot of celebrities do this so that they don't have to shave the sides of their heads, but still have like a neat hair look. So some celebrities I know that have sported this is Nam Joo-hyuk, Eric Nam, TXT, BTS, Gray, Song Joong-ki, and Hyunbin. You can tell that they do a down perm because the sides of their hair is still quite long, but then it's laying flat on the sides of their head. So I'm going to give you guys my top tips on doing a down perm in this video. So the brand that I always use is DPERM. This is a Canadian brand, and why I really like it is the fact that it is formulated so that it's good for all types of hair, regardless of if you're Asian or not. It's also very gentle in terms of its formulation, and it smells less chemically than other down perms that I've used. So the kit comes with the following. It comes with a really giant tub, if I do say so myself. It comes with 2 hair clips. It comes with a pack of kind of like clear paper, and it also comes with this applicator comb. So when doing a down perm, it's my #1 tip to start on one side at a time. I suggest using one of the hair clips to get your bangs out of the way because you do not want the product to touch your bangs. Next, you're going to want to apply a lot more product than you think you're going to need, especially if it's your first time using it. You can build up the amount of product that you're applying on the sides of your head, but you definitely want to make sure that your hair is saturated with the product. Also, before you actually apply the product, I recommend applying like an aloe gel or a moisturizer of some kind just on the edges of your face and all over your ear and behind your ear and below your neck. This is going to give a nice barrier in case the product touches your bare skin, and it's something that I like to do because I have quite sensitive skin, and it's just like a nice way of kind of protecting your skin against the perm solution. I do want to reiterate the formula is gentle and safe. It's just something that I like to do just because I have very sensitive skin. When applying the product, apply it on the comb first, and it'll go from top to bottom. Also, make sure you do not forget the back of your head. You can apply this product to the back of your head as well. Also, a tip that I definitely do have is apply the pieces of paper right after you apply the product on your head. This product does dry relatively quickly, so you want to make sure that you apply the paper while the product is still relatively wet. If you do find that it's hard to, like the paper is still not sticking on the sides of your head even after applying the product to your hair, you can always apply some more of the solution over the paper for it to stick. You can repeat all of these steps on the other side and make sure you keep your bangs away with the other hair clip, and then just apply liberally on the other side of your hair. Also, the new DPERM does come with a hairband, which I absolutely love. The original instructions required you to basically apply the pieces of paper and then just lie down on the side of your face and just like watch TV or something. But it comes with a hairband now, so that you can just apply the hairband so it applies pressure to the sides of your head so that the solution will basically conform to the pressure to make it look neater and cleaner. In case you don't actually have a hairband, or you use like an older version of DPERM, another tip that I do have is you can actually just use some Saran Wrap and wrap it around your head to apply the pressure as well if you don't want to lie down. So there's different methods to apply the pressure, but if you are a first-time user of this product, I would recommend just lying down on the side of your head on both sides. If you do the method of lying down, make sure to wait at least 25 minutes per each side. If you do a hairband, just wait 25 minutes in total. So it will save you time by applying a hairband, or if you do the Saran Wrap method. Afterwards, when you wash the product, for you to allow the Down Perm to last longer, I recommend do not using shampoo for at least 12 hours. And basically, once you wash out the product and then you also dry your hair is going to be flat on the sides and it's going to look a lot neater. I like to emphasize that this effect lasts for about 3 weeks. You do not have to repeat doing this product until your hair kind of grows out from the sides. So while this technique does come from Asia and Korea, this is not exclusive to Asian hair. If you find that you like your hair on the sides to be like sharp and like tight and like clean and neat, and you find that your hair grows out like this, this would be a great product for you because it's like a nice way of keeping the sides of your hair neat. These days, I feel like the trend is to keep the top long, but the sides like quite short. So this would be a great product for pretty much anybody, like regardless of ethnicity. In any case, I hope you guys enjoy this video about DPERM. If you guys have any questions about this, please leave a question down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.